Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Rashekar from St. Peter's Engineering College. Today we are going to discuss about the what is a data mining, by using a which tools and which applications you can perform the data mining experiments, and what is the main use of that particular tool. Let's start our session. What is a data mining? Data mining is a Data mining is the process of discovering interest patterns and knowledge from the large amount of the data. For example, you have a bulk amount of the data is available, but you need only the required knowledge, required things from that particular data. You can use the data mining to extract that particular required information from the huge amount of the data. For that purpose only, we are using a data mine. How to extract any data, how the extraction process will be done, how you can discover the interesting patterns according to that particular performance, according to that particular query. So by using any one of the application or by using any one of the tool or a software, you can extract that particular information from the huge amount of the data or from the huge amount of the database. For that extraction process or for the doing of any application, for the doing of anything, you need some tool or application to extraction process, to do the extraction process. For that process only, we can use the any one of the application. Like that, in the data mining also, we can use a WEKA tool. WEKA is a tool. So, according to the curriculum of the data mining, we are using a WEKA tool. If you are using a Windows version or the Ubuntu version or any other Linux version, you can use the WEKA, so the WEKA tool for the data mining lab. How to download the WEKA tool? How to download and how to install the WEKA tool means, let's see the session, let's see the presentation, how the installation process will be done and how to download the WEKA tool means. Go to the Google Chrome or any browser. In the Google, you can search WEKA download. You'll get a link that wikato.zuthub.io, or you can download any one of the website. Why? Because WEKA is an open source and you can download from any website. It's a freely available for the downloading process. You can directly download the sourceforget.net or wikato.zuthub. I'll go to the directly to the sourceforget.net. Why? Because this is directly connected to that particular WEKA download. Here you can see that WEKA machine learning software to solve the data mining problems. If you click on the download, it will directly go to the downloading page and it will download automatically. If you get any issues in the downloading process means, please click on the pop-up box and unblock the pop-up, and you can download the WEKA setup file. This is the .exe file. You can install these .exe. You can run the .exe file. In my system, it is already downloaded. So after downloading, you can directly double click on that one and you can run the setup file. After installation process, you will get a folder. After the installation process, you can go to the directly to the C drive. Go to the C drive and check whether the software is successfully installed or not. Go to the program files and go to the WEKA folder. Here it is. Why? Because it is already installed in my system. That's why I showed directly to the C drive. If you are not installed means, double click on that particular executable file and it will show directly to the accept the agreements, and after clicking on the I agree, it will move to the execution process. Click on next text and proceed, and finally it will come to the execution. After the installation process, you will get a folder like this in the program files of the C drive. Go to the C drive and check whether the software is successfully installed or not. Whether it is not successfully installed means, you won't get this folder. It will be here. If it is not installed means, please go to the control panel and reinstall the software. After successful installation process, go to the C drive and check whether the WEKA all folders are visible or not. If all folders are not there means the software is not installed properly. Please reinstall the software and you can proceed next. And then go to the directly to the data folder and check whether the data sets are available or not. Why? Because by using these data sets only, we can perform the data mining lab. So check whether the data sets is visible, data sets are available on the system or not. So after checking whether the data set is available or not, if the data sets are available, directly close that one and now open the and now go to the program files or go to the start button and search here the software folder, or else click on the search button, search the WEKA. Here you can see the WEKA folder is there. WEKA, go to the WEKA and click on the WEKA 3.8. If you select that WEKA 3.8, it will open the WEKA console, that is a WEKA Explorer. Why? What is a WEKA? WEKA means a WEKA is a Waikato environment for knowledge analysis. The abbreviation for WEKA is Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. Where the WEKA has started and who started this WEKA means the WEKA is the WEKA is the WEKA is started in the University of the Waikato, Hamilton, New Zealand. This particular university people has designed this WEKA tool for the analysis part of the overall database and do the execution process and do the process of the data analysis in the experimental labs. So this is a WEKA GUI chooser. This WEKA GUI chooser can be visible like this. Here you can see that WEKA is a University of the WEKA. That means Waikato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. This was developed by the University of the Waikato people at Hamilton, New Zealand. What are these applications are there? How the WEKA GUI chooser will be used? What is the use of these applications? In which application you want to do the execution parts? All the things will be. So the WEKA workbench contains a collection of the visual tools and algorithms for data analysis and predictive modeling, which is together with a graphical user interface for easy access to the functionality. How the WEKA user, that is WEKA GUI chooser has been developed by using a Java. So if Java is not installed in your system, the WEKA will not be work. So the Java will automatically install the system if the setup file will have an internet facility. So if the Java is not installed means install the Java, then run the GUI chooser. So the original version was primarily designed as a tool for analyzing of the data from the agriculture domains and but not more recently within a fully Java based version in the that is a WEKA 3. Now the latest version that is available in the internet is WEKA version 3.8. It's a full-fledged and fully used by the Java. So for which the development was started in the 1997. So the WEKA was started in the 1997, is now using in many different application areas in the particular of the educational purpose and research. Now we'll go to the applications part. What are those applications are available in the WEKA Explorer means? These applications are, if you go to the Explorer, the Explorer is which is used for the generally as a graphical interface, which is used to conduct the experiment on the raw data. Raw data means that is a original data which is available on the resources. Original data which is available on the resources. What is an experiment? Why the experiment is required? When these options, these experiment option allows the user to conduct the different experimental variations on the data sets and it performs the statistical manipulations. So it can easily performs the statistical manipulations. Next one is the knowledge flow. What is the which knowledge flow applications is used for the flow of the basically the same functionality as Explorer with the drag and drop options are available in the knowledge flow. And these drag and drop functionality is very easy to function and very easy to operate. So these the main advantage of this option is that it supports the incremental learning from the previous results. So it may be used to the incremental learning for the previous users. And the workbench. The workbench is mainly used for the uh, doing the process of the overall data. It is very user interacted of the workbench. Next one is a simple CLI. This simple CLI provides the user without a graphic interference option the ability to execute the commands from the terminal window. In this terminal window, overall, by anyway, we are using only the explorer for executing of all the WEKA experiments in the data mining according to the regulation of the R16 of the J into H Hyderabad. So I'm using only the few uh, applications, few examples to run the explorer and to execute the overall files according to our questionnaires and according to our queries which is given by the syllabus. So now we will go to the explorer. We'll expand what is an explorer, what are the applications and what are the things will be there in explorer. Select the explorer. Double click on the explorer. It will move to the explorer page. Explorer tab will be open.